Hi friends around the world. Today I'm gonna show you the new update model for slushy machine. Right now we have three sizes of the machine: S size, M size, and L size. The first size I will show you the L size. Okay, L size we can put total 42 bottle inside. Okay, 42 bottle mean in the middle you see you can put 16 bottle and around here, so total is 42 bottle. Okay, go to the next size. Now we go to the M size. Okay, M size is total we can put 28 bottle. That means in the middle you can put 8 bottle and other is around. Okay, total 28 bottle. And the next size is, sorry I don't have the example here now, but I can explain you the small size, S size. S size total can contain the 16 bottle. That means 16 bottle over here. Okay, 16 bottle here, and we reduce the size. Okay, so for the S size it's just like this, 16 bottle here, and okay, you can put only 16 bottle, and all the 16 bottle can move around. So I will show you each specification. The machine body made from stainless steel 304. Okay, and the back side of the machine we have the power box here. We use 220 volt power supply. Okay, and this is the plug T-leg. Okay, we have ground line inside already, T-leg like this. And each machine we included 4 wheel. And after you finish your work for the machine, you can use water drain pipe here to drain out all the water inside the machine. Okay, this I show you the power supply switch. Okay, we have 2 steps of this switch. Okay, if you put this switch up, that means you like to speed up. Okay, open the faster speed. Okay, if you like to stop, just back to the middle. Okay, if you like slower speed, just put it down. Okay, the machine will run slowly. If you like faster, just put up like this. Okay, actually when you use this machine you have to plug in the power supply. If in case you go outdoor and you don't have power supply, how to solve this? Okay, we give this to you guys. Okay, so you can use this part to, okay, to stick with your battery. Okay, okay, I show you how to do this. Okay, inside our supply box you can see we have here. Okay, just take it out like this. Then okay, you see you use this one we keep included in this set already. Okay, just plug it here. So another size. Okay, you put this with your battery. That's it. Okay, okay, for how to use this machine to slush your drink. Okay, you can see in this clip video I put here. The last thing I like to show you is how to clean up this machine. Okay, after finish to use the machine, the first thing you just take out all this bottom out. Then this still remain the water and the ice inside. So easy to clean this. The first thing you have to drain out all the water by here. Okay, open here, so all the water will come out. Okay, some people they like to wait until all the ice melt, but if you like to faster that, you just put in more water and wash all this. Okay, anyway, just get it out here. Okay, hope you guys enjoy my video, and if you're interested in this machine, just contact my WhatsApp that I put below this video. Okay, thank you for watching.